Great elemental.
Right, do rock, paper, scissors, or numbers?
We can do numbers.
You want to do a max C, one need that, but I just want
Yeah.
one effect.
7.
If your opponent stride, draw 3 cards.
No, max C would be if your opponent special summons and you pick up cards.
Superior call. Superior call.
It'd be like playing against
Call from hand.
Playing against Red Blue, they ride Cocytus, and you're just like, yeah, Maxi.
Maxi.
You gotta go for it, let me draw 5.
So wait, what about Pale Moon, you know?
Agravain? Oh, in response.
Oh yeah, Maxi. Yeah.
Oh,
are you gonna
Activate.
I'll put 1 back.
Yeah.
Oh, call 6 cards.
I'm not even gonna lie to you. When you said that, Miranda looked at you like, bitch nigga.
I didn't even realize I did it either.
Don't you speak that.
Even like in premium, like Token Rush, you'd be like, oh, response that.
Jeez.
They need like a pot of greed. We need like
That is so good. Yeah, turns on blocking your turn.
Because I mean, the way that I'm talking about is like already broken, but the way the person is talking about is like they can't even stop because it's in reaction, like it's a chain.
The game's over for me, boys.
Same here.
Alright, good luck.
Good luck to you too.
Whoop. Alright, draw. Pass.
Alright.
Literally like these sleeves, man. Like
That would be so good for me.
Right.
Yep.
Draw.
That's the one I think we need.
What's the Vanguard ability?
On hit, I look at the top card and call
if it
it.
touches Vanguard,
Ah, I see.
Maxi.
Also weird guard hit.
You
Cool.
only use it once per game.
No guard.
When you activate it.
Power. Oh no.
Skill.
Yeah.
I would think it only had to be rear guard.
What do you
Vanguard
do?
would be a little busted.
Based on the
Especially
number
if
of
you
rear
have to
guards
pay
I
the
call
cost
this
and
turn,
everything.
she gains
You're not
power.
Blade
Oh,
Master.
okay.
Since I've called 2 or more, she gains +5.
Okay.
I'm looking for stuff to
Can I go
speed my
first?
shadow.
I never go
Power, please. Alright. Well,
I'm on for.
oh, I forgot I was on a hit too.
That's my second time today. Go first.
This is my.
I should remember cards effects.
I talked to my.
12.
Okay.
14.
I see how we're going with this game. Let me guess, trigger?
Oh shit.
I really want to finish this.
Let's see. Let's go 9 reader. All effects.
I absolutely knew it.
19 Vanguard, skill.
I absolutely fucking knew it.
I'll retire this card, give it 5k. Pass. All the time.
Be like that.
Liberator the flute.
Mm-hmm.
Skill. Check the top.
I'm probably gonna be next. Don't worry.
+5.
Yeah.
It's gonna be 14.
Okay. Power Vanguard.
17.
Block.
Alright, it's your turn.
I knew it. This is not a good game.
Right.
I'm gonna leave the game. 100%.
Do that. Alright, let's skill. Middle 1. Top 4.
I'm 100% dead. Well, GG's Cameron, you kicked my ass. You have GG sister. You're gonna beat me.
Okay.
You're 100% gonna beat me.
I didn't have to G-assist till I hit that draw trigger.
Like I said, I'm gonna fucking lose this.
I open hand, there was no ones, no 3.
I'm fucking dead. My hand's horrible.
Sorry, I got distracted. Oh, my hand's upside down.
9 Vanguard, skill.
Gotcha.
Retire Blondazzle. No, yeah, Platina. And then I'll get the 5k to these 3.
Okay.
So 9 Vanguard.
Only for him because he was 105.
13.
Oops. Yeah, thanks, Brian.
No, it gets 4 when
I
it
carried
attacks.
my 3 units.
Did it affect recall? Oh, yeah, okay, so did you just switch it?
14 Vanguard.
Sale, whammy match.
And how big is this one?
Black card. 14 Vanguard. 17 Vanguard.
No guard.
32 Vanguard.
Yep.
Pass.
That was good. 27.
His skill.
Yep. I made a horrible mistake, Brian. Yeah, two of those grade 2 just had on hit to call, and I legit forgot about, so I let two of them hit.
Yeah, I think the first one gave me.
The other grade 2.
Yeah, first one gave me the grade 2, and then the other one gave me platinum.
And I hit no triggers, so I was like, well, I made a mistake. I could have guarded both of those.
There's no, like, can't really understand how to do it.
Yeah.
So fucking
I was,
This is so fucking long.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Just about to ask where Kai and the world. Then my question got answered.
hello.
I said, those like the best cards?
Oh. What are powers? Oh, wait, I guess when you get to attacking.
Yeah, I had just missed because I placed this there. It was here. I just actually slid it over. This is gonna be 24, 24, and that's just 17.
Okay.
Would you play this for team league?
It's gonna be. That's just gonna be 20.
If I don't GS this,
20?
Yeah.
32, 2 pass.
Yeah, that line was up.
First, second,
if I had line one, I'd just beat everyone. I would literally be the best person.
17 Vanguard.
Literally, I'd be the best person. I would put money on it right now.
Block.
24.
Yeah, I'm not gonna use
That one's how much again?
This one's gonna be 29.
So he gets 20.
Oops. Don't worry, you'll see that later.
Here's the soul.
Yep.
29.
Vanguard?
He gets 15.
Take it.
And I'll pass turn.
And draw.
Because yes, for the soul. Almost forgot.
Right, Isabel. Skill. Cards in hand.
2. Sorry, 3.
3. Alright. Isabel skill. So plus 1? No? We're both at grade 3? No, yeah, so this goes to my hand and gets 15k.
43 with non-hit Vanguard. Easy. Every time.
Call. 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 Isabel.
I send my deck and everything.
Mill. Same ability. Goes to my hand. And
number.
plus 3. I mean, plus 15. And I milled, so plus 5. You're special. You get the blue one. There you go, plus 5. All right, so. All right. Skill. Combos, mill, draw. I'll retire. Sure, get out of here. I'll get the 5k to itself. Up here. And up here. Ability, set on mill, get another one. Skill? Wait. Do I want to use a skill now? Nah. So this is 17, 22 Vanguard. Attack Vanguard, skill. Combat 1, mill. Draw. Retire the grade 1.
What is that?
Give it to yourself. Give one up here. And then I'll give 1 to
13.
a Vanguard.
He's 22 right now.
Ability, get another one. So that's plus 4. 17 plus 15, 32. Alright. Oh yeah.
I didn't see Agravain at all.
Yeah, you need to ride Agravain.
Yeah, because like,
It's kind of the
then when I called Plat. Plat would have been a better choice than Agravain.
Yeah. Yeah, Psychic Ball is just there for the rear guard ability. As a Vanguard, it probably doesn't do anything for you, right?
Yeah, because at least like with
Platinum?
if I did Agravain or Platinum, I would have just went Excel 1.
Yeah.
But I was trying to draw so I could at least play another card.
You pretty much rolled the one grade 3 that you did not want to ride. You could roll any other one.
Right.
28, so he's 40.
Yeah. I mean, that's pretty unfortunate since you had the very good start. Since
Right.
Platinum skill, what? Your first drive check would be. I did.
It would be a calling, checking call.
Yeah, which is, you know, better than talking more. Thanks, Brian.
No, I was just listening to the song in my ear.
In your ear?